lovelies, it's Kia once again from Book Keep Specialist. I hope you all have an amazing day and I hope you've had a fantastic first month of 2022. What I wanted to show you very quickly today is what I'm going to be reading next month. I am going to be picking up the book called Goals by Tracy, and I'm going to try and stick a picture of it right here, somewhere around here. If you can see it, that means that my technical skills are improving. Okay, this book, I love this book. I read it every single year. It's super motivating. It's really inspirational for me. I love setting my goals in the beginning of the year for the entire of the year. I love achieving goals and working my way towards them and ticking them off. And what Tracy's book does, it just helps me to remind me of the different ways that I can go about achieving goals. So if you're in a situation where you've tried a few things and it's not working, give this book a go. See if it helps to stimulate any new ideas in your brain. And if you're not big on reading, it's fine, I've got you covered because it is available for free in audio version on YouTube. So I'm going to link that in the description box down below. Alright guys, have a lovely day. Bye.